Small Street has Yeezys, please. Oh, amazing. And I enter G3 giving Instagram baddie. Yes. What is good, you guys? Hlu Lanie, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all you guys. My name is Hlu Lanie and you are about to subscribe. Please do click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you do get notified whenever I drop a new video. And today I'm back with a try on haul, a Small Street / New Feeling try on haul. So I did get a few items from Small Street, New Feeling. These are all New Feeling brand. Well, not all of them, but most of them. So yeah, let me not waste any time. Let's just get right into the video. So the first item that I picked up was this top or crop top, whatever you want to call it. It is this open back top. It's open at the back just like this. Yeah, and it has this tie thingy where you just tie it around your waist, or you can just tie it at the back. Today I chose to tie it in front, but just like this. You can tie at the back, or you can bring it to the front and just tie it around just like this. And the material is, it's almost like a silk kind of material. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but yeah, it's this, and it has this detailing over here. These are just faces of, I don't know, what do you guys call this? A lot of people like posting these kind of pictures on their Instagram feed. I don't know, but I think I also posted one, I'm not sure, way back when I started Instagram. And it also has a tie at the back just like this by your neck. Guys, this, I think we had these kind of tops when we were growing up. Tell me if you didn't own a top like this, like Yakuitimba. So I know I had one. I had even dresses that come and tie on your neck just like this. I had a lot of those dresses. I got this for 55 rands. Yeah, also I forgot to mention that all the items in this video are less than 200 rand. So baby, we are saving. We're all about saving in this channel. So yeah, we're saving. All the items that I got were less than 200 rand. This one being the cheapest one for 55 rand. Yeah, and I got it in a size large. I could have gotten away with getting it in a size medium because the hold is quite good, but a medium would have done better. But I love the large because yeah, we are gifted this side. So yeah, next item will be this. Okay, no, let's start with the tops rather. The next item will be this yellow top. I got this one in a size medium for 120. I don't know if you can see the size. Okay, it's like this. 120. Huh? Yeah, 120 in a size medium. This one is not a New Feeling brand, but it is U-Star, but it's kind of the same thing. So it is this ruched crop top just like this. It's, let me just put it on, child. So this is the top. This one, as I said, I got it for 120 and it is in a size medium. It is a crop top, and obviously I am wearing a bra because I cannot wear it without a bra. You know, it does something else. But yeah, man, it also has these fashionable sleeves. These kind of tops are currently in fashion and trending. Yeah, and I got this one for 120. I did mention. So it's ruched over here. I can just pull the drawstring and tie it just like this. And yeah, there you have your top. You can wear, I like this because you can wear it in many different, you can wear it in many different styles. And this is the back. It has a zip over here. I don't know if you can see, I'm quite short, but yeah, it has a zip over here, so when you put it on, you just do this and you put it on. Guys, I think this is my favorite top, and it is in color yellow. I don't own anything shy yellow, so this is my first yellow top, and I love it. I love it, guys. It has strings. I don't know, these things, what do you call these? Like, it's a very stretchy top, and I got it in a size medium. I think I should have gotten a size small, but you know, we're not planning to lose weight anytime soon, so I think a medium is amazing. I'm in love with the sleeves. Like, I've always wanted these kind of tops, and every time when I went to the fix, I couldn't find my size in these kind of tops. I remember in 2018 these tops were trending at the fix, and I couldn't put my hands on one, so I'm happy that I finally got this one, and I love it. I love it. Out of 10, I would give it a 10 out of 10. And also the material is good. It's good material. It's not too much of a see-through. I just love it. I just love it. Material going now, some ASMR. But yeah, this is awesome, guys. I love the details here. Like, I just love this. You can put it like this sometimes, or you can leave it to be like crop top, or sometimes you can put it higher just like this, and you can also take it down here at the end. Messing around your cleavage when you're going on a date or whatever. I love this. So now another top that I picked up is this bodysuit. This reminds me of the Skims kind of colors. I love it. I love it. I've always wanted a mesh top, and I finally got my hands on this one. It's also, I got it, it's also a U-Star brand, and I got it in a size large because child, we are gifted. And one thing about me, bodysuits irritate me. Like, when a bodysuit is so small, it's so uncomfortable on your back. So yeah, I got it in a size large just because of that, and also because of the boobies. So let me put this on, child, and I'll be back. This is the bodysuit, guys. I am loving it. It feels so much like my skin. Like, it feels like I'm not wearing anything. Look at it. Obviously I am wearing a bra, guys, because again, I cannot wear it without a bra because gifted gang. So yeah, man, it's a bodysuit. As you can see, I love it. I love it so much. I love the color. I love everything about this. I love the detailing. I just love everything. It looks like a chocolate that is melting on my skin. Like, I'm dripping chocolate. As out of 10, I'm giving this definite 10. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Like, I don't even want to lie, guys. But the one thing that I do not like about this is because, as you can see, it's like it doesn't cover the whole thing. But this is like one. You see where this part starts? I don't like it. I wanted it to be more like this. Hold on. But obviously I can't do anything about it. I'll just have to wear a high-waisted jean with this bodysuit, because I really don't like this. I hate it so much when someone is wearing a bodysuit and it's like this. I hate it so much. but obviously with this kind of bodysuit I'll have to put on some high-waisted jeans. So other than that, I love it so much. And again, the G3. I mentioned when I was doing the Shein try on haul that I don't like bodysuits that are like just string. I don't like it. As you can see, that's making like ingena for like I don't like that, but okay, it's fine, okay, it's okay. 10 out of 10. Besides that, okay, maybe I'll give it a 9.5 for that part that I do not like, but it's giving, it's a turtleneck kind of material, kind of design. I love it. And the price of this was 110 rand. As I said, we are saving this time around. Yeah. And then I'm gonna just put on this silk skirt. It has a slit. These kind of skirts are also trending right now, so I got myself one, and I have a feeling this is gonna be too big for me. I got it in a size medium, and this is by New Fitting, by the way. I got it in a size medium. I should have took a small, but I didn't take a small because last time I bought this kind of skirt and I took it in a size small and it was so small for me. So this time around I was like, let me just get a medium and see how it is. One thing about me, I do not fit clothes in the store. I come back and fit in my room. So let me just put this on, child, and see. I'm loving the color. This was 160 rand. I think this is the only expensive thing so far. I don't know what this dress, but I'm not sure. So yeah, let's put this on and see what we have. Hey guys, the skirt is on, and I lied to myself when I said I think it's gonna be big, but look at this. It's even small. I can't even zip up to here. I don't know how to do it, but this is it. It has like an elastic stretching band over here, so that is good. I love it. Let me just put the camera, I don't know how, but okay, let me just bring it down so you can see me. But yeah, this is the skirt, guys. Okay, you still can't see. Okay, this is the skirt. Oh child, I love it. I do want it to be like more tighter because yeah, look at the color. Oh child, I love the skirt. I love it. It's very high-waisted. I cannot bring it down. Yeah, it's very high-waisted. It has a slit over here. It's a very long skirt, guys. The slit starts just before my knee. So yeah, this is, guys, you can see it's very long. Like, I don't know how to show you, but it's very long. Let me try bringing the camera down. So as I was saying, guys, my battery died, so if there is like any changes, please forgive me. But this skirt, I love it. I'm gonna give this skirt a 9 out of 10 simply because I wanted it to be more tighter around my hips, and I got it in a small. It was gonna be small on my waist, so I don't know what's going on, child, but yeah, right now it's kind of big. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it, but yeah, man, I love the skirt. I love the slit. Yeah, if you want to see like the full length, just head over to my Instagram. I'm sure I'm gonna take some pictures wearing the skirt and I'll post it over there. So right now last item, my battery is flashing again. I charged it for like 30 minutes because I just want to get over and done with this video. But the last item is this sorry, the last item is this green dress. I got it in a size medium also, and this one was going for 160 rand. Yeah, okay, so let me just show you the detailing. It has this drawstring things over here on the sides, and it is sleeveless. It has collars just like this. I love it. It's a mini skirt, so let me just try it on and I'll be back. Okay, yes, this is the skirt. This is the dress, guys. Sorry, this is the dress. As you can see, it's showing a lot of skin over here, but you can just tie it like this, guys. I'm not sure. Hey, I don't know if you can see because of the light. Okay, let me just try closing it, but still, man. But yeah, you can tie it up over here and have it at your own length. Yeah, guys, this is the dress. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love how it fits. And as I said, I got it in a size medium. The material is kind of like see-through-ish, but it's not that bad. Here's the back. The back is just plain, but I love it. I love it. It's giving. Show off some legs. Show some legs. Show some skin. I love it, guys. This is the dress. It's very short, but you know, yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this detail that is going on over here. Man, it's giving everything. It's giving Instagram baddie. Yes, this is what it's giving. It's giving Instagram baddie. It's giving hockey vibes, you know. People used to wear these when they play hockey. Well, dresses like this, you know, but without those things. Yeah, I love it. And then, guys, New Feeling has Yeezys. Guys, Small Street has Yeezys. Please, oh, please, oh, I got myself some Yeezys. These are the Yeezys, guys. Oh god, look at this. I love the material. Quality, I tell you. These, I'm sorry to say this, but these are better than the ones from Mr. Price. Like, look at how thick this is. I have ones from Mr. Price, and I'm telling you, when I bought them, they were not this thick. Like, these ones are giving. Hi, bo, guys, chini. I got them in a size 5. I wanted them in a size 6 because I'm a size 6, but I got them in a size 5 since, you know, these are New Feelings. So I was thinking, oh, what if they stretch and they become a size 8 in like 2 months? So I went with a size 5 so that in case they stretch, they're like a size 7 or a size 6, you know. But yeah, they fit so perfectly. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next upload. I'm so tired, guys. I'm even breathing so heavily, but yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.